This week, we'll be exploring coins used in the United States. Coins are money we use to buy the things we need and want. Each coin has a different value. A value tells you how much something is worth. You can see each coin has a value from the smallest amount, 1 cent, to the largest amount, 25 cents. Now, don't be fooled by their size. A dime is the smallest coin, but it's worth more than a nickel and a penny. Today, we'll focus on exploring pennies and nickels. This is a pile of pennies. You'll notice that a penny has an orange or copper color. That's because pennies are made from copper and zinc. On the front of a penny is a picture of a man. This is Abraham Lincoln. He was our 16th president. On the back of the penny, we can see a large building. This is the Lincoln Memorial Building. This was built to honor President Lincoln. A penny is worth 1 cent. We use this symbol to show cents. So I would write 1 with the cent sign if I had 1 penny. 1 penny doesn't seem like a lot. It takes 100 pennies or 100 cents to make a dollar. Let's practice counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pennies do I have? I see 6 pennies, so I have 6 cents. Now, let's explore nickels. I can see that a nickel is different from a penny. The nickel is slightly larger and has a silver finish. A nickel is made from copper and nickel. On the front of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. He was the 3rd president of the United States. What do you think is on the back of the nickel? This was actually Thomas Jefferson's house. His house was called Monticello. A nickel is worth 5 cents. I would write 5 and the cent sign. This is the same as 5 pennies or 5 cents. Now I wonder, we know it takes 100 pennies to make a dollar. How many nickels do we need? It takes 20 nickels to make a dollar. Let's review. That's right, this is a penny. How much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. All right, this is a nickel. A nickel is worth, you've got it, a nickel is worth 5 cents. Great work. Now join us next time when we explore dimes and quarters.